Hey guys, I thought I'd make a quick video for you today on how to install these awesome slim recessed lights. Now, the ones I'm installing today are about 2 inches thick, 2.5 inches thick. What's really nice about these ones is that they're you can direct the position of the light, so you can put a little angle on it, and you can basically emphasize different areas of your house. I love these, the way that my house is framed right now, the house I'm working on. The rafters are 2x4s, which is crazy because 2x4s are normally never used for rafters. They're too thin. You want 2x6s, 2x8s. But it's an old house, 40s house. It's in Arizona, so not much snow load, although Prescott gets a lot of snow. Anyway, long story short, I don't have a lot of room. I don't have a very big cavity in there, and so the conventional recessed lights, which have this huge housing, would not fit. These ones fit great. So let's get into it. These work, there's two components. So there's this box, which acts as a type of J box, which is waterproof and insulation ready, or water resistant. I'm not sure, humidity resistant. Anyways, you can use these in outdoor locations. What's great about this is just how thin it is, and the fact that these two are separated means that you can kind of push this into the wall, even if you have a very small cavity, and then you leave this little piece sticking out, you connect this, and then you can push this in, and you can see even if you're ceiling, you only have about 3 inches of room, or 3 inches of space, you can still fit it in there. Now the way this works, they don't come with these wire connectors, so you got to make sure you buy these. These are 3/8 wire connectors. I think they might also be called clamp connectors. This basically, you stick your electrical wire in here. The lingo for that is the Romex, which is the manufacturer. And then you basically just tighten these down, and it clamps onto the wire so that when you're pushing it in there, the wires don't just rip out or get loosened up and potentially create a short. Now, the way that these connect is really nice because you don't need wire nuts. All you do is you strip your wire down about 3/4 of an inch, and then you just push it in right into here. You just push that wire in there, and it makes a pretty solid connection. You can pull them out if you make a mistake, but if you pull them out because you made a mistake, let's say you put the black wire, you put the hot in the neutral, I would recommend that you snip that wire and you strip it back again and then push it in again, because you're gonna if you pull it out, you're gonna create little grooves in it, and your next time you connect it, it might not be as solid of a connection. Anywho, so I'm gonna be connecting this now. The wiring that I have in my ceiling right now is 12-2, which connects to a 20 amp breaker. That's not usually common for lights. Normally lights, you would connect to a 15 amp breaker with a 14-2. The 12-2 wire is a slightly larger wire, it can carry more amperage. Consequently, makes it a little bit more difficult to bend and to work with, but it's what I have, so it's what I'm going to work with. So that's it. I mean, I think I've covered everything. I'm going to try and put the link below where I got these. These are Amazon's, and I love these. They really give a good light. And if you have any questions, just hit me up. Like and subscribe. Thanks.